What is third-party visitation in family law for children? Imagine a child who has a close bond with a favorite aunt or a beloved grandparent, but their parents are not together or are unable to care for them. You might wonder if someone outside the immediate family can still see the child. That's where third-party visitation comes into play. Third-party visitation in family law means that someone who is not the child's parent or legal guardian can ask a court for permission to visit the child. These people are called third parties and can include grandparents, other relatives like uncles or aunts, or even close family friends who have a meaningful relationship with the child. In most cases, parents have the primary right to decide who can visit their children. Courts respect these parental rights and won't grant third-party visitation unless there is a good reason. To get visitation rights, the third party must file a petition with the family court. This is a formal request asking the court to allow visits with the child. The court's main concern is the child's best interests. If a third party wants visitation, they need to show that it would benefit the child or that denying access could harm the child's well-being. For example, if a grandparent has been a consistent part of the child's life, the court might consider that relationship important. When deciding, courts look at several factors. They consider how long and how often the third party has been involved with the child's relationship with that person, and whether granting visitation would disrupt the child's routine. If the parents are no longer around or are unfit, courts may give more weight to keeping extended family bonds intact. Grandparents often seek visitation rights, especially after a parent passes away or if there is a separation. Courts may grant these rights if they believe it is in the child's best interest and if the grandparent can show that not seeing them would cause harm. To get these rights, the third party must petition the court, either as part of a custody case or through a separate legal process. If both parents oppose, the court needs clear evidence that denying visitation would hurt the child. If only one parent objects, the third party's burden is lighter, and they need to prove that visitation is in the child's best interest. Overall, third-party visitation helps maintain important relationships between children and trusted adults outside their immediate family. Courts carefully balance this with the parents' rights, always aiming to protect the child's happiness and safety.